Hey, I'm the Confused Ogre, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the shiniest pile of gold you've ever seen. Let's get started.
Let's paint.
I'm going to start this project off by cutting out some piles with some XPS foam. Now, these piles turned out a little bit too lumpy, so I would say, honestly, in the future, make them a little bit shorter and wider and kind of gradually slope up, and you might get more of a pile feel. But if you like this effect, go for it. Anyway, after it's all cut out and chopped up how you like it, coat it in a coat of black primer. Next, we're going to do 2 coats of a dark, deep yellow gold type color here. I'm using Averland Sunset by Citadel. It gives us a nice, rich yellow feel. Really, all that we are looking to do is give a nice base layer for that gold. We don't want to see whatever primer we use behind. We don't want to see any splotches, and really it's going to help brighten up and make these glitter piles really vibrant. Next, pull out some PVA glue and slather it all over your piles. Don't miss any spots. Then, grab some glitter. I don't know where I've got this glitter from, but it's some cheap stuff, big flakes of gold. It's perfect. Now here, you can do as much or as little as you want. I did 2 to 3 rounds of this stuff. The first layer used glue to hold it down, but every layer after that, I used this Woodland Scenics Realistic Water. It dries pretty quick, and it dries crystal clear, and it really helps build up those layers fast, and it makes it look really sharp, makes it look really deep. So, 2 to 3 rounds of that, and you should have a gold pile that even Smog couldn't keep his hands off of. Here I'm using my piles of gold in the latest diorama build that I've been working on called The Dungeon. If you're interested, check it out. I'll link it here at the end of the video. And until next time, we'll see ya!